Hello from Bush Support. In this video, we will show you how to remove the door on your Bush oven for cleaning. Over time, the glass on your oven door may have stains that are difficult to remove. We recommend removing the oven door to be able to thoroughly clean the glass. To remove the glass, you will need a spanner, flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver. Firstly, open the top oven door. Next, use a flathead screwdriver to gently lift the saddle brackets. You will need to do this on both sides. Lift and pull the door away from the oven. Using the spanner, remove the hinge bolt holding the top of the main oven door in place. The oven door will drop down onto the lower hinge. This will allow the door to be tilted forward and lifted free. Next, remove the screws that are on top of the oven door. This process is the same for removing the glass on the top door. Once the screws have been removed, gently remove the top of the door. You can then gently lift the glass out of the oven doors. We recommend using a specialist cleaning product designed for oven glass. Once cleaned, place the glass back into the oven doors. You can now attach the top of the oven doors and screw it back on. Slot the door so that it is aligned with the hinges. Then slide the bolt into the top hinge and tighten it up. Finally, align the hinges with the mounting points and slide the top oven door back into place. Push the saddle brackets back down to ensure that the door does not come off. Your Bush oven is now ready to use. For further information, please visit www.bush-support.com.